Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix verification required on the App Store. So let's get started. First, this issue usually occurs because your payment method has expired. Apple may have tried to charge you for a subscription or free trial, but the payment could not go through. As a result, the verification required pop-up appears. To fix this, update your payment method. If you have subscriptions you no longer use, cancel them before updating your payment to avoid charges. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Then, select Subscriptions. Here, you'll see active and inactive subscriptions. Tap any subscription that is about to renew and press Cancel Subscription. Confirm your choice to stop it. Next, update your payment method. Go to your settings, tap your name at the top, and wait for it to load. Then select Payment and Shipping. Once it loads, tap Add Payment Method. Enter valid payment details that Apple can use. This should remove the verification required message. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.